applications from both UK and abroad.
Wismart solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wismart solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wismart solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I fuchinie ebidi de bie. Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, yenya emrenim for when a quarter wo emrenimu, a poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for, and Timinian, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wismart solicitors, emrenimu could draw for, so what's na hache, ombe woman saka on crata, na swedi drone sua, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, omudimu akotenipa, omre, the many pebia. Wismart solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wismart solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wismart solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wismart solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I fuchinie ebidi de bie.
Damuna si mamuna ha ano pay ewie ye mamuna ha yunso bibia ho ye papa Hotdigitalonline UK na wotie ewie aye Jumedie Sunko a mene lawyer Nanamoa of Wise Smart Solicitors. Yeah, a lawyer for omu twitwaje en kakra e ba no se ban immigration sensem ene how bia wukom na wasetinemu NCP nsita na je se unim se e ba no sa wa consult lawyer na lawyer Nanamoa enam ni wa hai lawyer Wisdom Akaho enso ene edwumayefo na mo Wise Smart Solicitors yamamu na highway ye chiechia mu na wiei yaba opuno ano ede nsem no ebetu ebe dosodosom na yakono one by one nti enche mema lawyer Nanamoa akwaba na ahwe na wotwen ni esi ene nhihya ekoso labor ban awaba no nhihya wo ma immigration ene nsakra ye beba ho nani na no mema lawyer Nanamoa abono tofa na yetufa pe nsema ededwa esi so no yede betu dwa ewie na yedi hu nkomo na so yedi nkomo a ebema yenyanti ase ewo ohaw bebre a yekomu titru yehwe ohaw a bia na obi epese o switch na onyama ne days bi wo a na waba bia na o de ke eyi ne be ne baye na wabekem wonya boafo bia ebia afikese mu atro no se wo no o COS no won ga de o ba no bia na ye omo so ekunwa that ya ban omo mutumi ma application mutumi ma bia biom nti no kofie emu edin nkofo bebre na ekosa ha m dem ne na Nanamoa san komo no so ho ebedi na ebehwe how to switch into a 5-year route as a parent na eno nso wo pese o switch a eno nso so wo ho yebedi hu nkomo nti na mema o akwaba
yenua
na what is it
Yesu adom me ho ye pa
Wise Smart then ekoso
nyame adom Wise Smart Solicitors yenyina ye ho ye fa apomodin so de betimi aka with full confidence yenyina all the entire staff nyina yenyina ho ye ejuma mu nso nyame adom ye fa modin no nyame fa nkamanya or the nyina nso ema ya nyame ma nensa so every present day bia we experience the presence of God in the work and you know bibia smoothly sena ye nso ye expecting megidi say wonso ohoye
wo bibia bokora papa na watwi wo bibi tofama ye ne ekoso ewo yuka but especially if you say labor for the by immigration system no ne nyama kakra bia wonya yentio
yo ansana na me pese me fasa akwan so biemu e de aseda enika bia ma osoro nyame se okoso doye na wabo mene megusua ene asafofo nyina eho ban nchia kese so fi Wise Smart Solicitors memfama ye tiefo a empremplen worry etie ye megidi se nanka se na ewiaye ema no ho so yi bibi papa bi wo ho a esese adofo no ebusuafo eye nanso enam Wise Smart Solicitors hu doninti no omo say wombre eritie ye nti ye fasa kwan so echie wo nyina na ye gidi se obia enso ye ene Hotdigital FM management opehie da no nso ye chen bibi o waba wofi Ghana ba oba ede bibi o bia no yesre nyame se nyame ebebo no ho ban na osan de abeka yensa awasule yo na update back a home office aye o limiting to the immigration aspect nti update back a home office aye o say yi visa no previously on my access omo the link ebeba na onu echi no nso no nwa send emails and letters amount enti no wo betimi was send them out through your email and as a posting address na o link na wa create account no wa ye on the 7th of 7th this month here August. Yes, on the 7th of August 2 days ago on upgrading on update on system no on my yati as say we BRP holder you are no longer needed to expect your friend ye may invitation say obecrity account. You are not let me put in this way. Who is first just say one number sending amount. But train no one sending amount as a link in no way. No, so much they say you don't need to wait for all the invitation. You don't need that invitation any longer. You can create your own account, no. Now what access your visa, no. And you know, one my yati access sa invitation letter na what they baba or bema just a link and answer with me I know. We don't need it. And you know, now is it they are pushing the responsibility from them to you because we the clients are waiting upon them. Their clients are relying on them to receive the link. So by the same manner as a link in the Maya, make just say one man link. You get what I mean?
Okay.
So now they've seen the Terika, your friend, the sleeping hole, no, and you know they are pushing the. They said now don't wait for the link. You don't need the link any longer. Create your own link. Go to the UK visa account, website, now create visa account. Now do whatever is expected of you to do, but make sure say. By 31st December 2024, what creates a visa account, no, why? And this is the update, what the ABA. And I want so I can say, you can use your travel document. You can use your travel document such as passport or application reference number to create the UK visa account.
Okay, you can use your passport.
You can use your passport or application reference number.
Okay.
Application reference, yes. To create it starts from 1212, a 16 digit.
Okay.
It starts from 12120001.
Okay, so
then
those numbers.
Baba. Yes.
So just you have resetting the numbers.
Yes, we searching the numbers. Now, your friend, we create sense so we are manonia. It starts from GW.
Okay.
Yes. Global we now on so why no year whereby your BRP visa has lost or you misplace it.
Misplace it, okay.
And it say who you be what's a BRP account you must get the BRP card no.
Okay.
Send away with me the aye. And whereby you don't have the BRP
there's
card.
An avenue. Say, which way you show.
Yes, say a pass BRP card na ayira. Omo kire say ubetime use wo passport.
Okay.
And now say application reference number no.
Okay.
Now they create sa ye visa account no.
Okay.
First no na sa akunya no eni ho. Say no update system no. On my yati as say obia. Say no you don't need to wait for and now you don't need to expect any email invitation with the link in this bio. Obia with me I call website no. That's what create one there. Say parcel BRP card no ayira edia with me use your country passport and answer application reference number.
Okay.
In this case no start from 1212 #0001 then the other ones it follows.
Okay.
We far and can EU citizen and as a family member there because we no EU settlement scheme process no did that until you don't need to do all these things.
Okay.
There's a rumor cost
Rumor.
Yes. Atisem. So my clients miensa this week in almost frame say want to say home office say ye visa no on twe momo ye bio nto bia e hu hia so bia ebeye na me so there be entine sa I think say update na eba no e na manfo antiasa wo de ato YouTube.
That is a misinformation.
What they are to YouTube, I catch so you visa no, you see a trim into a here so baby into our client me and saffron so there be no the one part say BRP holder no longer need an email invitation to create UK account.
So you don't have to wait for them.
You don't need it.
Okay. You have the necessary documents.
Yes.
So just go on
and create your own thing. That's it. No, so oh sir, don't see yes, one shiny year
misconception.
In so be you. One shiny year in super foul no more. No, this is the update. Into Bobia Momodia say, Obey queer day. Obey to me, I create ne ye visa no, send a bear, enco creative problem after 31st December 2024. Why?
Okay. All right. It's lawyer Nanamwa and Melanie Wahi. And check a wedding come on. I'm finding him back on Yan Twasu.
This is the place for the consistent music you've grown accustomed to. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 7 days a week. This is your location for maximum music. The best hit music. Every time you turn us on. Every time you turn us on, there's another hit song coming on.
All right, into Why Smart Solicitors. Omecha Kwine Ewo 18 to 22 Ashley Street, Dalston, London E8 3DL on 0208 0165384 0208 0165384 and then 077 375 72905 077 375 72905. Why Smart Solicitors? Lawyer Nanamwa Awa inti ebedi komo. Now I'm sure I'm free, baby. There's this issue on care skilled workers nearby on the COS need to buy. If you don't buy, unfortunately, the company I don't want to buy and to me among now, some of them will be calling you, say, you be sitting and was switching because if you are not, if you can say amani automatic, say company say being cry companies be to make reporting for the home office for say and nipa say baby ana won odo buy when ejuma on the side to so person what tell no akọ ka ebi no so lose one license into say nipa no lose license automatically you be fall on who the applicant la sanse me would be so TV mo address ni say
yo va something common
no company I know
eba all the time something common eba all the time. What's happening is home office no they have expectation of they have a belief say something fishing is in the system in terms of health and care from and you know almost unexpected visit on the sponsor site unannounced visit at the sponsor's site into omokwa for instance no one can say my hu your record chese wa beje license say we recruit nipa miensa ana enum ye pese ye hu so nkofo no wo hin adwuma be na mo ye say ni ahe na wotua wo no ina say wo sponsor no went me and provide accurate and reliable evidence efa wo ma won recruit wo nu mebi omo wode a na chese wo bu mra no so because mra na chese ye the license na ema wo se fa recruit wo no mo mra adwuma nti se wontumi bu wan konta onu mebi omo wode a na se wo bu mra no so nti e ba ne sa na ye be revoke license first they will make investigation if the investigation proves to be breaches of the immigration rule in terms of your license now what the amount say ban of sadia revoke your license. When they revoke your license now, they will give you 60 days or 2 months. You the license if you have any reason why are you think say the decision taken by the Home Office is wrong, we have to do it.
So that's like a petition.
Yes. So after that now went me and then they revoke it. Some revoke they know say employee what the file on so they will be affected.
Okay.
So they will write to the employees and tell them say we have revoked your sponsor's license. The reason it there among country. Na no ye ma 90 applicant. Na no ye ma 60 days. Applicant here in the terms of yes. Say ye ma 60 days. Option is say either you switch or you go back voluntarily to your country. Because in the entire what they buy no back on your revoke the license.
Okay.
And our COS no is limited, it's very restricted to the particular sponsor now or sponsor. Until even koye ejuma foforo yen bi. Say you revoke the license there. Not just a said be one I say ohun ankonim faso e wo system no. Enti other say obe switch to another sponsor and also voluntarily no obeko okrum. Okay. In the balance na 60 days na necessary wo ye ntem na utimi switch echo. Okay. Now there are some issues bia aye eba obi wo ho na eba na abonopusa. Okay. Na je say ohuni a oye. Into obetra say di ho abubu a time no ewu a 60 days ni wu pe. Na je say wabe you overstay you can't do anything. But say 60 days no now we make an effort. That's what normally I tell them, make an effort. Say oh sexy be in your mind so you can get evidence. Now a backup say be 1 week and now say 3 days aspire. You can write a letter to the Home Office, acknowledge the email now almost anyone. Now let them know, let the Home Office know say you are actively looking for some into America. Because it is not your fault. And getting the new license, getting a new license is not easy. Particularly say normal work or NHS sometimes it take 3 months, 4 months. Because they have to do everything to CRP check and 60 days in the layman view it's not enough. Okay. But on transfer inform and show them reform.
Well, that is the policy.
Yeah, on transfer and share them reform. Now on ye be wo until no thing I obey and say obebo one man say ugu so hwehwe bi. Until so they may not respond to your email, but they have it there.
Yeah. Or guarantee.
Yes, they may not guarantee. Otherwise, there will be loopholes. So it is a discretion. So they put it there. But after you've got someone, then you make a reference to them. Say previously, me trouble say, "Mama extension kakra nyamya dom menye bi enti mo nhwe na mo ye." Sometimes on be a little bit with
deferred agreement.
It's not an agreement. It's not agreement. So
it's appeal.
So una waka che me say. Me dem yem fon so bia ye. Una waka che me say. Me sponsor na wo de na ba no. We revoke ni license. Into woman me akonya say me hwehwe bi. Afi na me kwohwehwe bi. Maya menye bi ye. Me ni eda so say menye bi. Enti ma me emre kakra eka ho.
The appeal.
Into wo disalert no kotu. Now, if anything, evidence actually say, oh, wako interview, and I say, well, apply, now then, which media or no sack. Now, when you're married, then, but it should be reasonable tie when you be now the call you be now your application you have to make a reference to it no I only one aspect and the second length of the issue no so they say obi wo ho na say na wo kan no most of the sponsors no last 3 months you hu say omo fa adwen because enam say home office e call almost site unannounced you know what they do is say ye ma wo kra ma ho even though me nedwuma ma employee no applicant me nedwuma ma no that me ma home office ma no be bizarre me say when ti medical aye den actual home office say o ba no mba edwuma o dey say
o ba catch you
yeah enti employer no be di kan I report to employee no ama home office say me kofa no ba no on mba edwuma
ono no so mo edwuma
ono no so be me so om ni edwuma enti o ma home office ma no home office be kweri no enti ono mo di kan okova na chi enti onu mo di kan I have experienced 3 yes omo the letter ne ba yes so o kire say wa ba wo ye adwuma
professor ono so home office be ba wo be hu de ekoso
enti obi di kan report enti o report wa say since I wo ba wo ye adwuma enti ono there what happens the home office will curtail and cancel your leave with immediate effect
because we report to actually
but they can report to actually no e ba ne sa na e very difficult to justify because sometimes ba could be quarantine I think say Wednesday the same issue
okay yeah
they make what happened is say oba na woman ina ono say modern man na o ye no threaten say edwuma na wo honya no problem wo ho into onko ho a hospital into onko ho no ko ho a aseme ba ye be chene nioma dodon wrong into also wo fear no o tre fie sa became almost 8 months afina sana hospital no so they are not aware into what we are akwa no so mba wonye hwe sana akwa so about system 8 months ni o te ho so what's happening in now hospital no e tro come home office say akwa na e man e friend license so omra no wamba edwuma wabanso wamba edwuma based on that in a home office then e tro say wonwa ne license into odimika oba me hwe ade nanso na e ba ne say na we ni say won say the duration intervals na 8 months but again say you actually say what ba so no nti na obeye adwuma na 8 months now to hon then na wo ye
okay
so it's not deliberate but innocently no ehu na wode hye nimu nti no wan ko ho so ho me wa na kwa no de oni adwuma ina o criticize problem ina ba ko nso ba nso a ono ye agency no oni adwuma 1 year after 1 year notice omoba unannounced visit no dey actual letter say akwa no 1 year na o mai enso mewa na akwa no tembia o ne communicate also compare down meeting kings now dey make call o say ye we ni na afla so no o say twen edwuma mbaye
so
oni edwuma nto no otoso you get what I mean enti eba ne sa no ina ohun say afle dey say no all strategy ni na apem enti ese o tro home office e gaje home office say or report home office say employee no since o ba no o meduma enti won revoke the license in o revoke with immediate effect eba na say na it too difficult for you to go and report
because
yes go and report enti and I have another case here on it there woman na dem make say look bibia ankoka papa enye chere na sometimes you have to take a risk
okay
ina no di kan report onya letter no so atro home office say no and say okay kan say bebre ni sika bia exchange hands ni o so ho dey talk kakra no yeah and to ba me ho na say look I can put more weight by writing to them again say yes ina ye church nyina na dey quiet home office was happy say revelation say I had that or invite a say or person needing come more into this. I can't open up say just be honest, open up when you be finally no on revoke a friend sponsor and a license in a or no employee now almost an activity no was on man another 3 months. Need the entire lucky you say I'm another 3 months because of circumstances there but to another 3 months into uncle baby. Nyame adon wenye bi e ma won ya man ma aye so individual case by cases but utna obi ane de utna ho na yesa
down and wait for
no utra say na say we ya ye bobu so
okay
so that is it.
No na mo na yeti ne kai also betumi adwane ya betumi afre 0790844338 ye na mo bebre na mba ya mo de COS buy no nyame bi koso a emwa ema bebre na aye distress nti also betumi afre lawyer wa hi in a very snappy now also so do asema tunim na wa hwepan a obetumi aboa because lawyer the thing say still the issue is hanging. Say Amafo are going through this trauma. They are experiencing this particular issue. I will be in a bar. Nipa last minute or hena and one and to be home mape. Now I call report and only a very very dangerous. And then the koso. The woman so was how we are or the fray 0790844338. If you quite old baby at a buy and wabe shrill now so what back now so go maybe mano onipa na ntumi amfam amane djuma so last minute no na onne no eyi nsema no ntawantawa bi kokoso last minute no attract ma efiekasem na home office say nipa ya oba so ba be mama no mba meanwhile when a lawyer came there's a communication there was a communication wo the employer no and the employee no that applicant no edin keta ho de bia nso wo twa ho boko akwa catch the free because for say nipa na me ne buy no on be djuma nti on so be jedi because cho no do buy nti definitely a one problem a kofu be facing na issue a e cost papa Hotdigitalonline UK and OT to so bet me a friend 0790844338 na yedin komo 0208123629 hello
Valanta do the do.
What is it? Oh yeah.
Nyami adumbo kwa na mpacha onso e. Lawyer mu anso mechi opa nyami shira. Ene information a ode mai. Yeah, that's pa nyami shira we dey quick one. Na me busa se ke na ya mo kano. Se me applicants no se obedru krom hanmo. Na say onye juma but obo independent na buy on the oye juma the say no ne visa no ebewu ti ebewu say no say nyawu a independent no so be dey obetimi renew ana say ebewu a onye juma no obetimi aswechi ana so obetimi aye ho bibi pa cho me question no
okay
yo why that's it
why
yo Martin Bash na Israel
yo nana juma dependent no depending or the main African also. Into anything bia eba affect the main African no indirectly no and as directly no eba affect dependent. Into say mwaba na say ne main African no visa no ebewu and as ewu a automatically no eba affect dependent no so. Na anonso no ebebu.
Okay.
Now the other side of the question also say so dependent to betimi a renew a switch here na. Yes, of course say eba na say akonya no epa ewo dependent no side na obetimi a switch immediately.
Okay.
Otimi switch ya obetimi kura a switch na aboa the main applicant say eba say main applicant no bibi eko na se ne sponsor no kwa no ye revoke ne license na se ye cancel license in this case ono so betimi aba switch to dependent so ono so aba ye dependent na why me applicant.
Okay.
So it is doable. It's permitted.
Okay.
Why?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. One I can say.
Me pato your friend Benjamin. Na yeah, me pato me wo Peckham na me so me ne me wife ne buy be 1 year ne ye ade bi ne buy US. Ye buy company ne kra no enipa no die no man ko kra ne company ne kra ko di nkomo. Ma presu bia 1 year ni mentimi nya 20 hours a week ni kura me nya bi ba me wife ne de o ye adwuma kama ye tene tax ni bibia ntene me busa lawyer say me pato bibi o betimi aya ama that no man betimi asan yi ama ye ni ana.
So start more valid leave to remain.
Yeah, but me pato yeah more sister days no me nyashi man ti bi me tete say ma who sister days ba me 1 year ni me nya leti bia me ntehwe still na ade ne de da so ye active ye adwuma
na ma me bisa say wo sponsor no on twa the license no ana
me pato ye twam me check no ye twam yem say last year September kran ye di na e free ni nsem
one na eya wo application na wo de buy wan kasa na wo ye announce agent
me pato bi na ye ma me nipa no wa no ne sponsor no kabum no ye
okay
ba me beduru no mama ya we sese na asie me beduru no sese me by July last year July was me beduru 2 months and ye gi we ni from nsem nti just common DBS kura no man timi an obi foforo company foforo na ye DBS no mama me to online so stay kura na adwuma no nya bi nyai
okay normally no say bibisa eba na say wo revoke sponsor na license na home office by email through the email application na wo de ye wo the fill application we inform no sometimes they send aka so bi na de email no ka kire onu pa ko no check in the email
lawyer mpacho email na ni parent de mb bia no de amame ma check him the last time kra me bem kra think say e ko be year ni so I don't know so no so access to it nti bibi betum anu delete ya wo de amame but me nya hwe apart from visa application ya your me new message bia mbem for the past 1 year ni.
Yeah, that's fine. Say we nya but wow ni me say ye twemu dia. Sometimes home office omo a delay in updating their system. Okay. And in fact bro nya ho enwe crackers. Na mo no what once a what e de to hwana mo na pe bi e switch. Minimum the nature of work or yere eye. Say o yere e da so ye dwuma na sa akonya o hono to metumi ama na another friend COS no switch ya. Mo switch na won so ko depend e wo ye no so entwen kura say obetwen gi say home office atro wo say no wo ate e na won so nim but system no I very quiet all because of this election in politics na de nyina enti bomoni ase sisi a 1 year na de nyina no bomodi a because one year ne sa pe now tran so now feel say anaye wadwe say once ye email bi enfa ho no ebe fa ho na je say isu eyiru okay enti tu ho na mo sisi a na switch bi
immediately but ola na do number no na ma ba office na ya betena na o ma ekun be fa so a betimi atoto no me do number
yo no 077
lo apato bu yeah lo apato betimi kan 077
375
72905 72905
yeah
but lo ya ne me from Monday call me my wife nyina ba office na ya be seek advice me hu the way forward me da se pa na me shira mo ye boa ye
okay yes we da se be nti lawyer say na wo sika no na ye say dodo na bibisa no ono de ebia na owo holiday ebia na because definitely say wo COS nipa ono employer no COS ye twema and I say the license ye twema ebetumi afeto wonso but ono no nya ne de no na je say onya bibia mfe home office na je say
yeah but all you very careful non check it because home office 1 year sa na omo year we once we twemu no the email into obetumi a check in the
previous emails
in the previous in most of times so e kodu agency for no ho na ohun sa de ne pe no why very way obebo amane enso no no delete on fa we ne ma e be delay am say because home office no akwarema last week so similar thing come and I we challenge say into all my feedback and no more refer email was send ko data was send email am pa so akwa no an email na say wow email na yes as na ka so was agent na e control bibia anti see agent no so say email access to your account no why you say ayebasa enti don't rely once I wenya advance notice say mo djuma mu de no papa no anase employer no ye twemu no de to hofo don't wait say just say ama once baba
right yes uncle hello
good morning.
Good afternoon. What I say?
Hey, afternoon. Valentine Pacha, oh, mammy, me de mammy say, why?
Your mammy say, why you,
me Pacha, so where, dear?
Yammy, don't pa,
oh, my confused. I'm say, me tia mokakara. Answer. Me kwaga na oh. Na me wo aha de ne ye krom de no. Na me ko bi ya meje visa so minim ntibem tebe 2 weeks na me tie no radio yi so say wo kwa wutime de ye krom de no ko wo ba na de ha de na I am confused and them say me tell mo ba me bu so me no ma chire mu yi ba tell masama na
enti mpacho
me suro say last year kra me de visa na koi by say you know come me nye visa me so me ko ending ya
okay
enti ukra British passport me boa
me ba chan me obi
okay ina wo san Ghana ni boa
me ba chan na me renew no last year kra
yes
Ghana de
that's fine entity Ghana na for British for Ghana passport no echo because we are Ghana ni into the Ghana passport no ebeko you don't need visa now the British passport na eden aba no why yeah that's fine
all right lawyer nanamwa and I mean why Wiseman solicitors and I yedi nkomo interesting times in 70 degree wo ho be your ba na yanka manfo so how degree especially COS ni they akeka hu ne skilled workers I dey o mabegu land and bontin so do o na o struggle pa o tumi kana sem go one o kana zema che no enti edu pempe so say na wo hia say a lawyer for no betumi etu anamon bi aboa wo enti lawyer nanamwa of Wiseman solicitors and I'm in the wolf idiom way we didn't come up far a year skilled workers I won't buy ya on I stranded be now COS or Minyano or to find juma. Now how can you switch and no na lawyer and I'm say ni nano say uma omuhudia wo na bibia da ho clear na onusu mo betumi dia boa no mo tumi dia boa and lawyer you share the issue on say over to me a kwam be fast switching to 5-year route as a parent say issue we oh ko na ba oh da sa na ba bi obi ko bibia no here special requirement to be and also here legitimate right to be so to me they gain it opportunity we lawyer you can say a parent visa route I just say.
Thank you. A parent visa route is a route created or intended for a parent who has a responsibility for or access to their child following the breakdown of their relationship with the child's other father. Enti eyakonya nwa abato ho ema abatan owo eba na warrior anase aware mu akontu no akopem
okay
awale mu akontu na akopem nanso owo abofra ewo no ho a ono akoye enanko a ohwe abofra no so responsibility ojina no so no na say
good afternoon, my name is Kwaku. Please mpesa maybe sa lawyer said yeah I'm so all kind of say bia odi be free Ghana buy wa fa na say wo yere anase wo kunu say bia all ba school na school na all buy na ntima nko school no and na ba na switch to ayi care and na yamane ayi mfie num no nti ono so ye possible say ba ma na betima follow ayi ba ne de no because the I'm say school no share letter to come home office say any pana nye de anko school no ntem say ono no ba twa na yinum ba na de timi sui say call care na omo ama na mfie num no enti ne ba ma no betim a follow ayi ba ne de na ayi betima agena tena ha.
Yeah, this is a little bit complicated issue because already no omo ba say okunu no ba say obetu na de sua so.
Yeah.
Ena wentimi anko bibinti wentimi anko ogumra ena school no ana uni na atwra koma home office student no amba school.
Yeah.
Enti won twa ne lances no. Na mo no oba ne do ye ntem switch because no ye dependent or ye ntem switch in a call health and care so.
Yeah.
They say no obema no so no or say obetimi aswitch ya now mmra na asesa kan no na mmra no ma ho kwan say se wo ba no ntimi anko school kura na obetimi aswitch to health and care mmra no kire say answer obetimi aswitch with even if you are dependent no as I say we school no kura you have to finish and complete the school answer obetimi aswitch in this case no school no kura wa anko enti ebeye den however obetimi take me normal na mobile office ni ya hwe say is there any other options ebetimi aboa wa obetimi regularize your status no why
okay but your number na me kira na manya ni nyina gi no obetimi atima mama
077 375 72905
905 okay.
Yes. Okay.
905 okay me that's it.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Thank you very much. You know so I've been channel sana you know until you share the parents visa route.
Yes, send a medical can the parent visa route it's a route which is created or intended for a parent who has a responsibility for or access to their child following the breakdown of their relationship with the child's other parent. Into yakonya won abato ho ema awofo a won aware mu akwantu no ankosi awieye na mo na de akoye awaregyae anase aba awieye na eba enso wo mu na abofra no enna no anase egya no onu nkwa na ye de ohwe abofra no enti sa akonya na ye boto ho ema obi bia wo sa tibie ni mu do tumi egina so enya ne krata do tumi egina so enya ne krata
yeah enti any your sole responsibility of
well it depends the sole responsibility is quite also different but yes it could help you say yes so it depends your fairness situation
but not based on say we first yes and so there should be consequential evidence say they are not evidence
say that's why they say responsibility for or access to the child
okay
yes so responsibility for say we want to offer abofra and now say court amount akwanya say putime hwe abofra you get access to abofra no ebia wo
child consent
yes bibie wo ho and say ebia otime kofa abofra no holidays na dey otime dey call you get access to it but not all the parents get access to their children
okay so there's no consensual okay now, you better to us also to me at 0790-844-3338 0790-844-3338 those who tia be be actually I've been free now
lawyer nanamwa wa ha betumi enso akyekye mu nti hwɛ a parent of a British child under 10-year road no betumi switch it to 5 years.
Yes. The answer is big yes.
Big yes.
Betumi switch it to 5 years route
from 10 years.
From 10 years. Now, the entire yet the to 10 years because you didn't meet all the
requirements.
Legibility requirements.
Okay.
Now, the legibility requirements, relationship requirement, financial requirement, accommodation requirement, and English requirement.
Yeah.
And in order to qualify for 5 years, as I said, we meet all the legibility requirements. So when to me meet legibility requirements now, what happened is that you refuse. Nemo you over to 10 years rats.
Okay.
And in this case, no, Uber renew 2.5, sir, 4 times.
10 years.
10 years. Now, I couldn't answer Uber to me switch from 10 years no to 5 years. Maybe I am fine say.
Apart from
the way meeting, no. Say initially no, unikrata, yam fanesa. Unikrata.
Okay.
Now so eba or your British child. It in this case your friend a relevant child. Osheno. Okunu ne de okoni baby. And what by your single parent. Okunu de wa abandon the responsibility. Into onhwe nti wo na wo hwe abofra no so you have a responsibility for the child.
Okay.
And again access to the child. Right. Into wo gina abofra no so a relevant child no so edi enya okrata because at that time no uni krata utimi ye adwuma. But the relationship requirement in the Uber meeting because you have a responsibility for the child. Now, accommodation requirement in Uber meeting because who baby are only about mother. Financial requirement we meeting because at that time no financial threshold no when ye juma into a meeting. English requirement no went to me antro into another way meeting.
Okay.
But ye use paragraph ES1 to exempt you from meeting the English requirement and financial requirements.
So that you'll be given to amnesty.
Yes. Amnesty per se. So that requirement may not apply to you because you have continue and resistant genuine resistance with the child.
Okay.
Inti ma relevant child no entra ena wonko ukurum na emu no yedo beto 10 years so won adwene say niema koyi a now person will meet it there that you meet it.
Okay.
Inti na eba ne sa na what you do is say so that 10 years we no so right no so inti yama 2.5 yama 2.5 na what started a year juma you was started a juma no so betimi atro wo English no inti na chese sa nyoma mienu no ese financial ne we no ese umiti.
Okay.
So ultimately meet there then you qualify to be switched from 10 years route to the 5 years.
Okay.
Now, so you share in order to qualify for 5 years route, you need to meet all the eligibility requirements. For the 4 eligibility requirements. Already the 2 no one meeted that. Until the amount 2.5. Into aka 2. 2 no so no. In my view, no once I meet it, no, you'll be able to meet because they say no what's that year juma. Yes. Until you have to meet adequate maintenance and accommodation requirements. That's the one.
Okay.
Now, they are not talking about financial threshold, which is 18,600. And I said now a year 20,000, 29,000. No, they are talking about adequate maintenance. And none of the are confused.
Okay.
Into adequate maintenance, no. When you look at the financial requirement, GLTRPT 4.1, it says that the applicant must provide evidence that they will be able to adequately maintain and accommodate themselves and any dependent in the UK without recourse to public funds. Without recourse to public funds, unless paragraph ES1 applies. So when you use paragraph E1 apply now, says 10 years old, not just we say with Omidi. So if you don't want to apply paragraph ES1 now, then what you have to meet instead, you have to meet the adequate maintenance. And the adequate maintenance and the medical council, and yet meeting the previous 18,600, the threshold, and now current 29,000, but it is adequate. So you base on a case law, the case law of UVOVO and KA and Access with Pakistan 2006. It says that where it was decided that the adequate of maintenance is met if the income available to the family is not below income support level. So, or not yet more of calculation. Into your calculate, you use income support level. So now what the man we are calculating, yes, say, yes, and say, we say, who a human now in your bosom yet to £1,000. Now, if you use income support and calculate into a calculate, yet T was expenditure and we can if you not even a car £10. According to the case of UVOVO, it just a 1 meeting adequate maintenance to 1 meeting.
Hello.
Yeah, Kobo. But your lamb, I'm what to say.
Yes, I don't answer it.
I convey that I don't say. Miss M. Dossel. Liar, why are the party chase away the Dio Coscupa? Liar, Mr. Pacho, made 72 years. I found your mum 2.5. There's a meeting 2.5 and I'm missing here, Juma, and Timmy Copension. Over Scana, mammy. Anna 2. Misha Abanama. As how long is so much home? Abanama and the share number the Kata, and I'm a quarter time. Abanama, mammy, see, I feel you for Granny Kata, mammy. Macabia was the only minute Janqua, dear. On for one summer, mammy. And also, you bet my baby, Abra. Yet, just how long. Okay. Well, me patch up, Miss does it in your pay. That's it. Right.
That's also. The first one was just 72 years, 1 man or 2.5. Now, or besides, home office bit me a man a pension. Anyway, and your home office for a pension. So, if who are NI, go to work and pension department and apply for your pension entitlement. They will give you a form. Now, what is due you, no, it's not the home office giving you or something. But if you are under 2.5 years, now you want to get access to or enjoy the benefits. There, you can do another application called change of condition. Change of condition, what will happen is they will assess you. No way no recourse to public fund. If you so, now access to benefits, council in your manual, or no, you're different from your pension entitlement.
Okay, so these are two different things.
Two different things. So you can pass whichever way. Now, regard to the second one, say ujina obaso ina why first, second, third. Obana say a problem because there must be evidence that you have access to the child. And the lady also is denying you because when you hear say lady wife as a so on so what we do say as a so so actually say even though the relationship is no more there, but you are not preventing the access to the child. So ubefa bofano some or the no holidays in your mobile phone GP school na den nti oba no so ebetro bibi sa yes obetro bibi to confirm say indeed you have access to the child or you are come say woman na amba hono difficult two things that you can do say go diplomatically on in negotiate Jojo is far better na mo negotiate
consensual building
bibi obeso ye bia no bomodi ase obeti ase no aye so ono anye successful there then you have to go to court
final arbiter
Hello, good morning, good afternoon.
Afternoon, that is say.
Hey, you na woswe.
You.
Me pacho, ye mani bi e be bisa say wo ko ifie na wo kuta ahade ni krom de.
Yeah.
Na obeti wo say onfa ifie de no, ye krom de no nko ba na de aba. Na sa wo de ye krom ahade no na ekọ na wo Ghana card a wo betim de ahyem abra wo nye visa. Ahade no.
Well, Ghana card no. Who say call Ghana? Eyokuru. In a Ghana card has been accepted, even in the Ghana. And who call now Ghana card it should be accepted. The line the point is said because you are a Ghanaian, you don't need a visa.
Yeah.
Because you are a Ghanaian, you don't need a visa. Except say it be your passport and
okay.
Only the America said they kwaje a travel access document be April. Say we are there now near. All my yati say Ghana government. My yati say Ghana card is accepted for traveling because some of the West Africa countries and so they accept the Ghana card. And now UK no. Say fill application form.
No Ghana card.
Be say do you have Ghana card?
Yeah,
no I can say yes. No what fill in now, which means that it's be accepted.
Okay.
And you know say only Ghana passport. No, now we are Ghana card. Now call wow
it's accepted.
It should be accepted.
Me wo bi.
But some when me saying na last year me do a hanamo na me kono you know bisa say my dinam so me want visa my visa for ewo ahade animu it no say that no bisa me Ghana card na me yiye e de man no and also that's good and I'm koi jina me person say no come ko visa most ke bia wo ahanam na me de Ghana card na ashim na me ko
Okay.
sana mpesa kama yeye na visa lo okay you that's
me use the no and the law na wrap up.
Yes, and you know financial threshold no is not financial threshold minimum financial threshold nim for. So the minimum financial threshold for parents is different from minimum financial threshold for partner.
So we should get it clear.
Yes, there's a distinction between a partner requirement and a parent requirement. The partner requirement in terms of the financial minimum threshold, no, you have to meet either if you were in the system before the renewal now 18,600, and now say if you are now going to doing your first application now 29,000. That's what you have to meet.
Okay.
For the parent platform, you need to demonstrate that adequately you can maintain yourself.
Okay.
And it is a calculation. You use the income support. Now there calculation. Into your income support, I check also what matter most is making sure say at least you're balancing now over £5 surplus. If you £1 according to Yivovo, or £1 you meet the threshold. So you meet the financial
parent,
yes, parent,
All right, last caller. Hello.
Everton, Nana is a only lawyer.
You, Nana, you.
Lawyer, and I said, I did your more Pameno, and I was say, Ken Qua.
Oh, one Pamo.
What's it there?
What's it you are buying Pammy? I hope on the young crew.
Letter anyway, my letter, or much Roma say, and quick Fabra and Mankind.
Obi and draw him, they don't know where. A Ken Qua.
I know they are here, see.
Michia lawyer ne adwuma pa o ye de magana for obo adwuma. Ya me sha me frɛ mu chia mo a.
Yo ya ti that's papa. Episode to said I'm for big as you go kro no mo jom kro.
Enye ye fe na ras na ekokọ no ese anti on there say ye we omunum kwan kwa fa say ba look in rap news they say UK universities no omunusu income omunusu ye fe because international students na emba into affect in the most of the universities no they want to come bankruptcy yes it affect so they are debating about it we know ye consecutive na wo lusu no na wo dey akwasheshe wo na wo yes so just be your friend stay fast unmovable be unmovable yeah mamin can the other yes another requirement English requirement and the English requirement in so no say we obi a previously no obi wo hwa na the inter we meet when meeting 5 years right I don't know 10 years it be a financial requirement to plan OMT but English requirement no we meet and now obi wo also English requirement no we meet na financial requirement no we meet enti say we obi a English requirement no we meet first one there na we provide English test level A1 second one now we renew no and yet B1. That's why people get confused. You see, there's a difference between A1, A2, and B1 and C1.
Okay, it's a different.
Different. Nina, yeah, level or apply one application for.
Okay, all right.
Say, if Ghana, what you need, say, you need a certificate which is equivalent to A1.
Okay.
Ewana ye speaking and listening ono kwa into ono na ode beba
okay
anasa ono na obegina so aye wo in FM parent we no na fe uko renewer for extension na you don't need A1
okay
you need A2
okay
which is also speaking and listening
okay
uko ye indefinitely leave to remain and also to become a British naturalization. That's where you need B1.
B1, okay.
B1 mu yedru. Pa. C1 no e you be a okra university certificate. If Ghana na or convert it through ethics.
Okay.
No, you be man C1 because C1 is higher than even B1.
Okay.
Enti esno obia na de into uko start with B1 me I see say one ebia wa ben because B1 mu yedru ebia wa ben na your friend A1 no akọ uba na okay
hello yeah mbadwa ne
Val, good afternoon.
Afternoon. What I say?
But your friend, mommy.
Mommy, going to the uncle.
But your person, lawyer, but good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I me life in UK, no. Back in 2010. I mean, who, you know, people know who reference in there now. See, Pacho, I better now. But in your reference.
Wow. If I now call
me, I know your friend say learn direct for no. And also about close, you know.
It now we say almost 12 years.
How many years? Hello.
Actually, also.
What's how many years?
Me in 2010, days of about 40 years.
2010. I check. Until no year 2010, what the IABB? What the year application be home office that? Another way.
Me Jimmy indefinite no me nye bibi anko. And I'm a cockage biometric card and so on say no.
Okay. Yes, the only thing say we fee now person we now you make a reference. Say obaje wo indefinite no o de your English life in UK test we no ema. Unfortunately why you know until they can you can ask them to check from the system.
Okay.
And yes, I not just say near Okoye baby Okoye or Honso na won't say onwe close.
Sana makoya na say.
But I believe say
naturalization.
One year's application man naturalization. Your friend indefinite one year mouth.
And lawyers, do you know more? You Brixton Road, almost crying in Obi.
Wow. Do you have a copy of the application form now or yeah? No? But just say.
But your lawyer man.
Also, a copy of application form.
Indefinite, no.
I'm not sure. Some will me too, baby. I'm not no.
Yeah, check because yeah, I'm trying to yes because so to me even copy of the application form now we can trace that reference number no life in UK test no and yes idea application for naturalization now we make a reference to the Home Office why this time when you were submitting your indefinite leave to remain. Now unfortunately no what misplace we no want to kai reference no until no well you can take my number.
But so I'm your lawyer number you okay. You patrol you that's right.
Yes, me that say your friend ain't no akwenya wo ho say all your parent now that 5 years rat 10 years rat no ubetimi ade I switch aba and transfer for 10 years no because of English and as a way some of you may be exempt from meeting the English and English requirements. So no financial no who said the issue no say financial no baby believe say you have to meet that 29,000. No. For a parent, you don't need to meet that one. Your own is the maintenance, adequate maintenance. So on that whole cool. But English, you know, na a bit creative. Also, no, a bit depending on age. So if you are more than 65 years, you are exempt from it. If you have medical issues, you are exempt from it. But who do life in UK? Now. Another you have to do it into whatever be a mbofra with ya wow only speaking and listening. You don't need to B1 you need A2 you need A2 and A1
alright
into bibi biara actually wadu wo hono yemre ninti no ye besia ubetimi anya me normal no ewo 07737572905 na nkomo a ewo ho echi no yetimi ne wo aka nyame nchira mu nyina se moti ewo ennede adwumade nsum bio va nyame nchira wo nso.
Alright, that's papa.
This is the place for the consistent music you've grown accustomed to 24 hours a day.